everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So I'm just here to share my week 3 of 12. We're doing 12 weeks of Christmas freebies. So this is available over on my Facebook group. The link is in the description box below. They're available in JPEG and PDF. So you can print them straight from your phone. And the idea is that over the course of 12 weeks we'll build up a small collection of Christmas items, either to go in your December dailies, to use as gifts, or just for fun, or to go in a journal. So it's going to be quite a nice collection once we run to the end of the 12 weeks. So this is this week's, and we've got another lovely vintage girl in the beautiful Victorian velvet dress. I absolutely love this. So I found her on a vintage Christmas card and I carefully removed her. It took me quite a while, but isn't she pretty? I mean, you can see her little boots and her fur. She's lovely. And then we've got some of these little tiles. I think they're just over 1 inch by 1 inch. So they're really cute. We've got a little Christmas wordage, some poinsettias to fussy cut, and then I have placed her and the poinsettias on some tags using the background we've used previously, which is lovely. And we've got some little mini tags here. My camera angle is a bit bizarre today. I've just got a new setup and I think I've knocked it. So it's not quite right, but I'll sort it. So the little tiny ones here are so you can make little charms. So you could laminate them or glossy accents them or whatever. And make little charms to dangle off your books, or you can layer them up on the top of the tags with string, but that's why those are there. So there you go. Do come on over and join the Facebook group to take advantage of these. Now if you're not on Facebook, I understand not everybody is, what I'm going to do is every 6 weeks I'll upload them in in an instalment. So I'll do 2 instalments and I'll put them on my Ko-fi, so that you can take advantage of that. The link to my Ko-fi is in the description below. That's where I sell my digital images and also do have lots of freebies over there. So make sure you go to the Ko-fi if you're not on Facebook, and you can click follow. A bit like following an old blog, and then when things get uploaded you will get notified. It's definitely worth doing if you like to grab yourself freebies, but I will come and tell you again once they're uploaded. So look forward to seeing what people make. They've been making Christmas cards, they've been making lovely layered tags, some people have even made gift boxes with cards in. It's amazing what different people can do with the same thing. So yeah, so come along and join the fun. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon.